Hello there, I'm Refit. Just making a quick update on Assisticat. I'm not gonna talk about what happened in the the few past weeks, because there has been a bit of a problem going on, but we really move on from that problem, and let's just focus on the positive things. So let's see what I added on Assisticat since the last video. So first of all, let's start with the normal command that we want to use is the find card command. So this was a command that you use to search cards, and currently we updated to slash commands, and that is also the reason why the bot is verified now. So to use it, basically just type in card. I'm in the mood for some Nikita from the B series. So it takes around like 5 seconds because my server is a bit slow, I guess. And there we go. It shows all the info of the card, displays icons. If the bot doesn't show icons, that means you didn't give the bot permissions to use external reactions or emotes. So make sure to give the bot that thing, because else it's gonna look ugly, I would say. So yeah, make sure to give the permissions. And so this is basically the same, just that it changed to slash command. But what that makes this better is when you click next result, it edits the same message, also says you to wait for some time, and then shows in the same message but in the next result, which of course makes it really good to not clog up the chat, because on the old usage it posts a new message every time you use a command, and that's not really good. What else did we add are all the deck commands and a few helpful commands like help, info, ping. But let's go to the deck. What are those? Those are commands that actually connects with the deck lock from Bushiroad. So let's say I can use deck view, then use a format. Let's say JP and then type in the code. So I'm gonna type this. This is my Overlord DN deck. It takes a few seconds, a bit longer than the find card, because this command actually needs to communicate with the Bushiroad website, the decklog website, which takes time to load in. But as you can see, it loaded up, it shows a picture, and I can go into the website, click it, and then it leads me to the decklog website. Really useful. That means you don't need to copy the link, just need to remember the code and then type it in, and there you go, you're into the deck. But as you can see, deck view uses quite a few seconds. What if you want to quickly just share your deck? You already done it and you just want to share it, and you don't want to wait 5 seconds every time you share your deck. The way is to save your deck with the deck add command. So before I use the deck add command, I'm gonna quickly remove one of my decks because I already added a few decks. I'm gonna remove my IDK deck, and it's done, it's removed from my list. And now I'm gonna use deck add. So deck add is the command to add a deck to your profile, and I will show you in this bit what it does. So this one is an E index. Let's go to 0M0X. Its name, I'll just type in IDK or I don't know, and then takes a few seconds, the same time the deck view uses, and there we go. Now it says I saved the deck as IDK. From now on, to showcase your deck to others in a flash, use deck show name. So let's see, what is the deck show name? Deck show command. This is the command. I click on it, and then I can type in IDK and use the command, and then I just wait less than 2 seconds. It's less than a second. As you can see, it shows up the deck immediately. So that's why you should save your deck, because it makes you call the deck easier. You can name it anything you want to. and then it shows up really quickly, better than using the deck view command. Or let's say I have another command. I'm gonna use the OTE, which is from overload the end. Less than a second, boom, there we go. And if you cannot remember what you name your deck or what deck you have in your profile, use the deck list command, which this command, and then you can also add the page options or the user options to check other users' deck. In this case, I don't need to. I type in, boom, there we go. Now it says I have 2 decks saved into my profile. I have the overload the end and then an IDK deck listed at 2 decks. I can also check other people's deck. I'm not sure if any of the people in my server actually saved the deck yet, but let's see. I'm gonna use deck list. Oops, that's the wrong bot. That's the better bot. Deck list. I'm gonna check the user, this person, and then boom. So they didn't really save any decks yet. That's what it shows. You can also check other users' deck if they save any kind of deck. So let's see if I can find any members that actually saved the deck. Nope, no one saved a deck. Anyways, that's so you can use like the deck show and then type in like the name of the deck. So let's say you want to check my deck, you type in OTK or OTE, sorry, and then you have option to use user. Click on it, and then click my user, and then it should show my OTE deck. That is my deck, not your deck. Really useful new commands. And that is basically all the new commands. So yeah, if you're interested to support the project, don't forget to go into my Ko-fi website and give a few donations to support the development of this bot Assisticat. And if you like my content about custom cards, about general Vanguard stuff, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, or comment down below, share the video to other people. And that's it for this video. Bye!